Ecobee Switch Plus, the light switch with Amazon Alexa built in. So you can turn the lights on and off with your voice, your phone, or when you enter or exit a room. Ask to help avoid traffic jams. Order more jam. Even pump up the jam.
Okay, pumping up the jam.
Switch on smarter lighting and say hello to voice control in every room. With Ecobee Switch Plus, turning on the lights is just the beginning.
The Noon Smart Lighting Switch. It can control groupings of your lights in different customizable ways. Come on in to the switches. With Noon, there are two types of switches. There's room director switches and then the white ones, which are extensions. What these switches do is they control scenes in your home or different combinations in various settings on all of your lights. There's an app. Off. Office. Bedtime. This is one of my favorite features, actually, of the product is the extremely well-designed app, which allows me to navigate through all of the rooms and control them individually, even control each switch individually. I can use the app to control the light from anywhere in the world. I can turn the whole house off at once if I want. If you want, you can schedule your lights to turn off and on at a certain time. With outdoor lights like this, they'll go on automatically when the sun goes down. So one useful thing to know is that the Noon switches are installed just like a regular light switch. So this is the plate that comes with the Noon switches. You just simply slide it in there and click it in, and now voila. Friends, you're gonna wanna look into Noon. Every time I use it, every time I turn on a switch, every time I turn off a light, every time I go watch a movie, every time I say goodnight to my family, I'm simply mesmerized by how stunning and good it is. It's well designed, it's thoughtful, it's brilliant, it just works. Check it out, Noon.
With Caseta by Lutron Lighting Controls, you can schedule your lights to come on every day at dusk and have them automatically adjust as the seasons change. So your family always comes home to a well-lit house. Upgrading your home simply and easily with Caseta Smart Dimmers means that lighting control is always at your fingertips. Hands-free voice control is just as easy as, Alexa, turn on dinner time. And when it's time to wind down, there's no need to get up. Just set the scene. At the end of the day, when you've taken care of the things you value most, let Caseta get the lights.
Honey, did we get the lights downstairs? Alexa, turn on Good Night. Okay.
Welcome home to peace of mind.
Hey guys, Jonathan here, and these are 4 ways you can extend your Philips Hue setup. Now with Philips Hue, you're able to add up to 50 bulbs, accent lights, controls, and fixtures, and today I'm going to show you how to install them. So for starters, I'm going to begin with the BR30 white and color ambience, and you can place this anywhere you would install recessed lighting. All you're going to need to do is screw it in, turn it on, and add it into your system. You'll do this for any bulb, accent light, accessory, or fixture, and then from there you can add them into new or existing scenes. Now jumping over to the Philips Hue Go, there's actually no installation required. It's both portable and rechargeable, so you can place this anywhere you want without wires. And what's awesome is you can either control it directly on the Hue Go itself or through your Philips Hue system. Now with LightStrip Plus, which is one of my personal favorites, you can shape it, bend it, cut it, and really get it into places you normally couldn't get a light. Installation is super simple because it attaches through adhesive, and once you get it attached and turned on, you can see how killer it looks. From there, we're going to hop over to the controls and the accessories, starting with the Hue dimmer switch. With this, all you need to do is mount it onto your wall. But what's awesome is the dimmer switch detaches magnetically and doubles as a wireless remote control. On top of simply controlling brightness, you're also able to change moods and scenes, and it's a really convenient way to get instant access without ever having to touch your app. Next, the Hue Tap is super compact and ninja-like, which allows you to place it pretty much anywhere. And with this, you're able to trigger between 4 different scenes or program it to the point where you can turn off lights or even activate light recipes. Now with the Hue Motion Sensor, this gives you control over light through motion with a ton of flexibility. Because it runs off batteries and there's no wires, it'll work standalone where you can place it pretty much anywhere, or you can mount this to a wall. And what's awesome is because it attaches magnetically, you can really fine-tune the angle to ensure you're getting the most accurate motion tracking. Now with Hue Beyond, this install is crazy simple. The only thinking you're gonna have to do is where you wanna place this, but from there, just plug it in, turn it on, add it to your app just like we did everything else, and you are good to go. So by now, you should be a lighting master, so go crazy, have fun, and let me know what you do with your Philips Hue setup.
How to connect a Hue light with dimmer switch to the bridge. For this installation, we'll use a dimmer switch in the Philips Hue app. When you have a light that's already paired with a switch, adding it to your app is a little different than adding a lamp. Let's get started. Open the Philips Hue app and go to Settings. Then select Accessory Setup. Press the plus icon to add an accessory and then select Hue Dimmer Switch. Choose option 2 for a dimmer switch that has already been paired with lights. Press the small button on the back of the switch to activate pairing mode, which pairs your switch with the app. When the switch is discovered, it will search for the lights connected to your switch. Once you've tapped Done, you can assign the dimmer switch to work with the room you select here. You can even name and control your dimmer switch inside the Philips Hue app. Now you can rename and configure your dimmer switch with your app. Hue Personal Wireless Lighting. Innovation in you. Philips.
Introducing the SwitchBot. Now you can control any switch remotely from your smartphone, smartwatch, or the internet. Turning on your bedside lamp has never been so easy. Get your morning coffee self-served. Never miss your favorite TV show. Remotely turn on or off your computer whenever you need it. Feed your lovely pet while you're away at the touch of a smartphone button. With the SwitchBot, everything is done using one single, simple click. Enjoy more time curled up in bed and let the SwitchBot do your busy work. SwitchBot is equipped with a 3M VHB tape. Just tape it and you're done. No additional tools required. The SwitchBot works with your smartphone or your smartwatch. No need to worry about multiple bots. Our smartphone app can handle every bot at once. Thanks to our patent-pending design, the SwitchBot can relay commands to multiple bots, even when your smartphone is out of Bluetooth range. SwitchHub, it enables the SwitchBot to connect with the internet. No hassle, no mess, for greater convenience and streamlined functionality. It takes one switch to do everything and make your life that much easier. SwitchBot supports any IFTTT event that gives you freedom to set your own custom rules. Get complete wireless control of all your outlets and switches. The SwitchBot is always at your service. Keep everything under your own control with the SwitchBot and make your life that much easier, better, smarter.